Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video we are going to unbox this gorgeous kit from Make Market that I purchased today at Michael's. They actually have a sales event going on, 50% off on a regular priced item. This kit cost $24, but since it is on a 50% sale, it's not that it is on a 50% sale, any regular item, which this one is. You can apply it in the cart when you buy it on their website, or use a coupon when you are purchasing at store and get it for 50% off. So I paid only $12 for it. So this is a full round drill kit in the size of 18 by 24 inches, and the name is Mushroom Cottage. I was actually surprised to find out that it contains 41 colors on the one hand, and on the other hand, as you see, there are not that many details, right? Just 3 houses and some, I don't know, like bushes behind them. So I thought that maybe it's like 30 by 40 centimeters, so 50 by 40. But it is pretty big, bigger than my average kits, which are 40 by 50 centimeters. So the size of the kit is 18 by 24, which is, I think it is pretty big. So the reason why I purchased it, not because I fell in love with the design, although it is very cute, very cute. Make Market came up with some new designs. I cannot say that I love them that much. I mean, they're nice, but I'm not gravitated towards them. As to this one, first of all, I'm really very tired of diamond painting Christmas related kits. I love Christmas with all my heart. I even start listening to Christmas songs in August. But I'm so tired of diamond painting Christmas kits that I just decided to buy something more or less summer or spring related, which this one is. The second reason, if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I created a poll yesterday or the day before yesterday asking you to vote for 4 kits, and 3 of them are Christmas related. The kit that you would like to see in the next video completed, right? And I was so scared at some point because this kit, Fireplace, was getting pretty many votes, and at some point it was a leader. But by the end of today, this bear got like 48% of the votes, this one 44. So I was very relieved that my next project is gonna be fall related, not Christmas related. Anything but Christmas related. So, but we are back to unboxing this gorgeous kit. We will, as always, start with the canvas, but first of all, just let me tell you that it comes with instructions and with a very basic set of tools, the tray, the Ziploc bags, the wax, and the stylus with a hand grabber. Now, as to the canvas, I'm actually very surprised that it is actually like landscape design. Like if we are talking about the orientation, right, that this is horizontal. When I was looking at the preview, I had the impression of it being vertical, like the portrait orientation, right? Doesn't it look like it's vertical? So I'm actually surprised to see that it is horizontal, but that's fine. The second thing that I'm really very surprised to find out that it actually contains pretty many colors, 41. Because again, when I was looking at the preview, it didn't seem like this kit comes with many colors. It looks like the mushroom is, is diamond painted with 1 or 3 colors, like 2-3 colors, right? The door 2-3 colors, but not 41. So it is more complex than I expected. The main reason why I decided to select this very kit, because Make Market has multiple designs at this point, like London Street, they have Wolf, they have some really very nice summer cottage. Just check it out. They have a lot of designs. Just as I said, I do not feel drawn to them. I like this one because I can play with it. I see lots of room for customization of this kit. It is a very like magical design. People don't live in mushrooms, right? So it is something related to fairies or maybe to dwarfs or something like this, or I don't know, elves. So since it is a fantasy design, I can again play with it. So what I decided to do, first of all, if this kit does not contain AB diamonds, I am planning to replace the background with the white ABs. So I want the background to be diamond painted with white ABs. I did it before with other kits and it looks gorgeous. It's just the sparkle is amazing, and I want to do it with diamond dots AB diamonds because they're very unique, very faceted, very sparkly. My problem is that, again, I thought that this kit was like 30 by 40 centimeters. And that one is freaking huge in comparison, like relatively, of course, in comparison to what I usually diamond paint. So I do not have that many diamond dots white ABs in my stash. I have to buy them. So more money spent. Now, so this is the first thing. I'm going to replace the background with ABs. I really doubt that this kit contains any ABs. Now, I also would like to customize the windows with the crystals. I did it before with the red truck window. I did it with my glass stained gingerbread house. I also replaced the window, the drills that were pasted on the windows with the crystals, and it turned out to be amazing. So I want to do that as well. Another modification that I want to try is to add some ABs on the leaves of those bushes. So now, as to the canvas, if we talk about like specifications of the kit, the canvas is fabric based, very clear symbols, easily recognizable symbols, nothing hard to remember, and the adhesive is a poured glue. Now let's look at the drills. Okay, on the one hand, I'm presently surprised to find out the drills being way brighter and juicier, so to say, than on the preview. Look, it doesn't look that bright, right? So I like the color of the drills. Very colorful. But unfortunately, as I expected, or anticipated, in this case, no white ABs. And there are a lot of white color. So yeah, I will have to purchase lots of white AB diamonds, maybe from Joann's. From Joann, diamond dots one. I have only like white jars like this. It's not enough. Not enough at all. Now, as to the other color, so most likely I will replace this green with diamond dots green AB diamonds. They are a little bit different when it comes to the shade. This one is a little bit like brighter than this one, but I think it doesn't really matter at this point. And these two colors, blue ones, are used on the windows, so I will have to substitute them with the crystal. So I have a lot of leftover crystal drills, so I think I will be able to find the right shades for the windows. So I'm sorry the video actually turned out pretty long, although it's just an unboxing video. So if you like this very kit, check out your local Michaels or go on their website. Again, they have many different designs, and use this 50% off regular priced items today. Use this coupon to purchase a diamond painting that you like. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave the link in the description box below to this very kit. Bye.